Before we dive into the fascinating world of personalized Easter gifts, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy these amazing personalized Easter baskets. Now, have you ever pondered about the perfect gift for the upcoming Easter? How about a gift that carries a personal touch, something that says, "This is made for you"? Personalized Easter baskets, a gift trend that's taking the world by storm, might just be the answer you're looking for. In the not-so-distant past, a savvy crafter named Jennifer Alexander, the owner of Jen Lauren Designs, had an idea. She visualized a gift that was not only functional but also carried a personal touch. She envisioned Easter baskets that could be tailored to the recipient's personality, and thus, the concept of personalized Easter baskets was born. Jennifer started crafting these baskets, made of durable polyester, and offered to embroider them with names or initials. She gave her customers the freedom to choose the thread color, effectively making each basket a unique piece. The baskets were offered in 4 distinctive styles: pastel multi, bright patterns, seersucker, and the charming bunny earbags. And just like that, each basket became an expression of the giver's thoughtfulness and the recipient's uniqueness. But Jennifer didn't stop there. She also offered wooden Easter basket tags, adding another layer of personalization to the gift. Her commitment to customer satisfaction and her keen attention to detail quickly set her products apart. Buyers were excited about the idea of giving a gift that was not only beautiful but also held a personal touch. It was an instant hit. The journey of these personalized Easter baskets, from a simple idea to a popular gifting trend, is truly remarkable. It's a testament to the power of creativity and the charm of personalization. To wrap up, we delved into the world of personalized Easter baskets and explored how they came to be. We saw how a simple idea, coupled with creativity and a desire to provide a personal touch, can create a gift that's loved by all. A testament to this is the popularity of these baskets on platforms like Etsy, where they continue to bring joy to people worldwide. So, the next time you're looking for a unique, thoughtful gift, remember the story of the personalized Easter baskets and let that guide your choice. As we've journeyed together through the enchanting world of personalized Easter baskets, we hope you've been just as captivated as we are by their charm. These baskets aren't just products, but a unique expression of thoughtfulness, creativity, and love. Each is a distinct piece of art that carries a personal touch, making it the perfect gift for your loved ones. Now it's your turn to be part of this beautiful tradition. We invite you to check out the link in the description below where you can purchase these wonderful baskets for your next Easter celebration. So, whether you're looking to surprise a loved one or just want to treat yourself, don't miss out on these amazing personalized Easter baskets. Happy Easter, everyone!